Sawadee-ka! Let's do this one more time. That's right, we're off to Bangkok to celebrate Songkran, the Thai New Year, a 3-day countrywide water fight once again. This will be our 6th time celebrating this amazing festival, unlike any other. Go get your super soaker and a Leo and sit back, relax, and enjoy. There are so many great areas to celebrate Songkran in Bangkok. Rambuttri is a fun chill vibe and steps to crazy Khao San Road. Everyone is a target, so do not be fooled and plan accordingly, especially if you have luggage, laptops, etc. Definitely grab yourself a waterproof fanny pack or something like that, and also something for your phone. I've also had a lot of questions in the past where to get water guns, water. Well, as you can probably see, there are water guns and other water devices and such readily available. And as for water, 10 baht for ice cold water refills and 5 baht for regular water refills. Some bars will also even sell huge bins with a huge block of ice for 200 baht, so you can just sit and chill all day. Alright, back to the belly of the beast. When you're at a bar eating or having a drink, they'll have their setup where you can usually use their water for free. I will mention, Khao San Road during Songkran at night is packed. I'm talking, you're not moving, packed. If that's not your vibe, book a hotel on Rambuttri or some of the other surrounding areas. We are gluttons for punishment, so we are staying on Khao San Road for the first night of Songkran this year. Be prepared to pay a little bit more for a taxi and especially a tuk-tuk during this time. As you can imagine, anyone in a flowery shirt in a tuk-tuk is a target. We are heading to Soi Nana. The tuk-tuk driver charged us 500 baht from a spot near Khao San Road. The whole city is decked out in Songkran decorations, and flowery shirts are the #1 thing you should wear when celebrating the Thai New Year.
Are you okay?
It's fine. Put my collar up. There you go.
That's why he charged 500. Thank you.
Speaker is okay? Okay, no problem. Yeah.
I think it's Happy New Year!
Yes, you're allowed to drive around standing on the back of a pickup truck with a huge bucket of water to get people wet. Pretty much anything goes during this time. back on Rambuttri next to Khao San Road. Wait till the end and you'll see how the cleanup starts on Khao San Road every night. I hope you enjoyed this recap from last year and sort of a mini guide. We can't wait to share with you what Songkran 2025 has in store for us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. See you guys in the next one. And just like that, Songkran 2024 is over. And business as usual. Happy Songkran, everybody.